Hey friend, hope you are doing well. I am, turtlenecks. They're always so much fun. Yeah, we're good. Awesome. So, if we've not yet met, hi, my name is Lydia, and I am apparently awkward with turtlenecks. I also love empowering women and giving them the tools to be able to show up in their purpose and do so unapologetically. And today, we're going to talk about something that I feel would be best shared in this way, in this space. And it's a how-to guide for introverts with surviving the holidays. Now, I think back to even when I was a kid and we would go to different events or there would be different functions. And if you didn't know, by the time I was 8, that I was an introvert, you figured it out by the fact that I was the one who would figure out how to bring a book with me, find a corner, and just sit and be by myself, because it's just, I don't want to interact with anybody, I don't want to do any of the things. And now it's a little bit different when 1, you're an adult, 2, you're married with children, and 3, you have family that you connect with, right? So I'm going to break this into 2 parts. And what I love the most is that you are getting the most revised and best version of this, okay? So because, as I already explained, that tactic of just avoiding everyone kind of works, but at the same time, this is a time for you to be connecting with the people that you love, to be nurturing those relationships, and just saying, well, I just don't want to people. Okay, yeah, you have the rest of the year to do that. Let's figure out how to go through this season with grace, with love, and to do it well, where everybody wins, okay? So, first part is this. Let me make sure I've got this. Yeah. Care for yourself first, okay? And you're going, wait, but you just said that I'm supposed to put myself out there. No, you got this, okay? Care for yourself first. What that means is, in the morning, when you're waking up, how is it that you're making sure to have that time, that space to fuel you? Okay? So, I'm not saying that you, how does this say? It's a form of self-care, right? But it's not okay, I'm just going to pamper myself and do it. I'm saying that what you need most, you know what you need most. Do you need time to walk by yourself? Do you need to have a quiet cup of tea before everybody else wakes up? Do you need to be able to have your quiet time, your reading devotional time, time to pray? Do you need to be able to take a shower without any small person or large person disturbing you? Okay? Whatever it is that you need, make sure that you're doing that first. Care for yourself first. When you are filled, then that will help you and allow you to be able to then pour out and connect with others. Super helpful. Second part is to decide what matters most. Okay? So I talk about this with your core values. I talk about this with doing the clarity journal. And it's the idea of, let me figure out what matters most to me. Let me figure out how it is that I am designed and called to show up in my world. How does that connect with my immediate family? What are the things that we choose to do and choose not to do? When you decide what matters most, that will help you to avoid those feelings and those spaces of chaos, meaning okay, we're going to run to 6 different homes in the course of 2 days, and we're going to visit everybody. It's going to be awesome. Now, if your values in terms of what matters most to you is being in a place of connection with those people, awesome. Make sure then you're taking care of yourself first, because if not, you can easily become drained. And then if you're drained, you're going to be irritable. And then if you're irritable, being in that place of actually connecting well with those family members or friends is not going to play out the same way. Heck, that's true for your kids, right? So decide what matters most to you. Because once you decide what matters most to you, that gets you ready for the next part. That helps you to then say, okay, these are the things that we're going to engage in. These are the things we're not going to engage in. Cannot explain how much that has been a benefit in the last year and a half, to be able to just go, okay, this is what matters to me. And when I understand what matters to me and what matters to my family, then I know how it is that I can proceed forward. Like I said, there's the free core values worksheet in Printable. You can grab it, print it off, walk through it. It's really super simple. And that allows you to be able to, again, it's about establish that space for yourself, establish that space for your family, so that when you're going through the holiday season, which is upon us, I mean, you've got Thanksgiving, and then right on the heels of it is Hanukkah. What in the world? Super early. And then you're getting right into December, so you're dealing with Christmas and Kwanzaa and all the things, and then it's New Year's, right? Okay. Do yourself a favor. Create a plan. Care for yourself first. Decide what matters to you. It's going to be so much better with those two starting steps. So let's just keep it simple. We'll go over the rest tomorrow. Just focus on those two for today. And I wish you an amazing rest of your day. Bye.